You can earn the Southwest Companion Pass with one card. All three personal Southwest cards are offering a sign-up bonus of 30,000 points and a Southwest Companion Pass when you spend $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. This means you can earn a Southwest Companion Pass from only one Chase Southwest card. With your Southwest Companion Pass, you can get over $4,000 in free flights. You can choose either the Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Card, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Card, or the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus Card. You can grab the links to all Southwest credit cards in the description box below. If this offer seems familiar, it's because Southwest had the same promotion last year. If you missed out, now's your chance. But we aren't sure how long this offer will last, so you want to take advantage of it now. With the One Card Companion Pass offer, you get free flights through February 28, 2023. Here's what you need to know about the Southwest Companion Pass, who should take advantage of this deal, who shouldn't, and how to turn this one-year pass into 2 years of free flights. The Southwest Companion Pass is one of the easiest ways to get free travel. The Companion Pass lets your spouse, partner, family member, or friend fly free with you on Southwest flights. Yep, totally free, like a BOGO buy one flight, get one free offer, or 50% off flights, however you want to look at it. Pro tip, but you don't have to actually buy a flight. You can use Southwest points to pay for your flight, and your companion still gets to fly with you for free. Your companion flies for free every single time you fly Southwest. Whether you fly once a year, twice a month, every weekend, or every day, your buddy gets to come along for free. Their only cost is airport taxes of $5.60 a flight. You can fly Southwest from the East Coast to the West Coast and almost everywhere in between. They fly to 100 destinations, including Hawaii, Aruba, Belize, Jamaica, Cancun, and so many other places. Southwest flights include 2 free check bags, free movies and TV, and there are no cancel or change fees. Normally, you only get the Companion Pass after you've earned 125,000 points in a calendar year. This means signing up for 2 credit cards, a personal Southwest credit card, like the Southwest Priority Card, the Southwest Premier Card, or the Southwest Plus Card, and a Southwest Business Card, like the Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Card, or the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Business Card. With 2 credit cards, you have to meet 2 minimum spending requirements. With this Southwest Companion Pass with one card offer, you get your Companion Pass sooner with less minimum spending. Which is great if you don't have a business or qualify for a business card. If you want to earn your Southwest Companion Pass fast, you should take advantage of this offer. You'll earn a Companion Pass after you've met the minimum spending on just one credit card, either the Southwest Premier, Southwest Priority, or Southwest Plus card. If you like easy and uncomplicated, this is an easy way to earn a Companion Pass. You don't have to earn 125,000 points this year. You only have to meet the minimum spending on one Southwest credit card. With the Companion Pass and 30,000 point offer, your minimum spending is less. It's $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. You can meet the minimum spending by paying your rent, mortgage, car insurance, taxes, tuition, student loan payments, and so much more. If you don't have a business or can't qualify for a business card, this is the offer you want to take advantage of, because the Earn a Southwest Companion Pass with one card offer is the best way to earn your Companion Pass fast. If you're almost at Chase's 524 limit, meaning you've gotten 5 credit cards in the past 24 months, and you want to get the Southwest Companion Pass, this is the best offer for you because you only need to get one Southwest card. But if you're already at 524, then you might not be able to take advantage of this offer. Chase also has a 24-month rule. This means if you receive the sign-up bonus on any of the personal Southwest credit cards in the past 24 months, you can't get the bonus again. Earning a companion pass with one Chase Southwest card is a great deal. But if you don't fly Southwest, plan to fly Southwest, or live near an airport where Southwest flies, this deal won't benefit you. If you can only travel once a year and have limited vacation, this might not be the deal for you either. If you're going to take advantage of this offer, here's how you can get 2 years of free flights from the Southwest Companion Pass with one card offer. This simple travel hack extends your Southwest Companion Pass through December 31st, 2024. Yep, 2 years of free flights. Here's how. You can earn an 80,000 point sign-up bonus from the Southwest Rapid Rewards Performance Business Card after you spend $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. By getting the Southwest Performance Business Card and either the Southwest Priority Card, the Southwest Premier Card, or the Southwest Plus Card, you'd earn a total of 120,000 points and the Southwest Companion Pass. Here's how it breaks down. 80,000 points from the Southwest Performance Business Card, 5,000 points from the minimum spending on the business card, 30,000 points from either the Southwest Priority, Southwest Premier, or Southwest Plus card, and another 5,000 points from the minimum spending on one of those Chase Southwest personal cards, for a total of 120,000 points and the Southwest Companion Pass. This means you're only 5,000 points away from the normal 125,000 point requirement to earn a Southwest Companion Pass. When you get the Southwest Companion Pass after earning 125,000 points in a calendar year, it's valid for the rest of the year you earned it and all of the following year. This means your Companion Pass would be valid through December 31st, 2024. There are lots of easy ways to earn those 5,000 points. In the description box below, you can get the link to my video on all the ways to earn Southwest points. Are you going to earn a Southwest Companion Pass from this offer? Tell me in the comments. Not sure which Southwest credit card you should choose? Check out this video on how to decide which Southwest card to get. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.